everybody, I've got the gorgeous Simone Scorsan with me today. We're so excited to have her in the studio, and I am doing a refinement. Actually, it's not a refinement, it's a color boost on her brows. And today we are doing powder brows. And I wanted to quickly take this opportunity to show you how I do drawing first, then numbing, and then the procedure, instead of the usual way I do it, which is numbing first, then drawing, and then the actual procedure. So I took my beveled pencil, and I outlined very precisely where the outline of the brows is going to be. After I've done the outline with the bevel pencil, and it is a waterproof pencil, I then apply Numb Master together with a spatula very generously all over the top of the drawing, and I then put a little piece of plastic film over and the towel to create a little bit of warmth, which opens the pores and allows the anesthetic to penetrate deeper. Now we remove the little towel that created the warmth and very carefully remove the plastic film. Just throw that away. And this is how I remove the anesthetic from the brow. It's just a little Q-tip or bud that I've removed the cotton from one side, and you just very gently slide off the Numb Master in the same direction as you're drawing, and there you see it. And then the side, same thing, I do the bottom. And the top. And voila, they're ready to start.